Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the class diagram. There are many developers have stuck with this. Okay, so before you are making the software, you have to implement the best class diagram. Then only you have to complete your entire project without any barrier. So the class diagram is represent to implement the diagram, so doing the software. Okay, so here you can see this class diagram as this following entities. Employee is one entity, department is another entity, project is another entity. Okay, so we have get this first, we have to get these three entities, and then we can see what are the relationship we are implementing. Okay, so you can see in class diagram, so these are the employees. The employee has some attributes. The employee has consists of attribute and behaviors. What are the attribute as employee? Okay, so what are the attributes? Employee must have a name, SSN number. What is the meaning of SSN number? SSN number, which is nothing but a employee number. Okay, that is the meaning of employee number. Okay, so date of birth. Okay, employee should have a date of birth. Okay, the employee should have a sex, whether employee male or female. Okay, so after that, the employee has an address, employee salary. These are the attributes having employee. Okay, while you creating the table, you have to consider about these following columns. What are the columns available for employees? Right, these are the attributes. What are the behavior of the employee of that system? What is the behavior? Okay, so here you can see here is in this diagram explain these are the functionality: age, change department, change projects. Age mean there is a age calculation. Okay, while you calculating the while you select the date of birth from the calendar, your age is calculated automatically. When you gave the date of birth, your age is calculated automatically. That is a function they implemented of this system. Okay, what is a department? If you take the department, if you go to the company, it has several various departments. The IT department or management department or accounts department. That particular employee work on which department? This employee belongs to which department? So we have to we will be able to change the department and all. After the project, what is the meaning of the project? Okay, each and every employee, they are giving some tasks which is nothing but the projects. Okay, so the projects we can sometimes the employee get ill. Okay, so that time we can assign to another employee. So we will be able to change the project of the system. These are the functions include that system. These are the attributes. So you have consider these both attributes and method of the employee. Okay, so apart from, we are look at the department. It should have a department name. It should have a department number. The department has an employee. Okay, the department manage the employee details. The number of employees. Change the manager. What is in change the manager mean? Each and every department has a department head. Okay, so we will be able to change the department head of the system. Okay, so once you left from the work, we can change another one. Okay, so you can see this department and employee, what are the relationship? Okay, so if you take a look at the department, in company has various department: employee, IT department, management department, marketing department, etc., etc. So here what is the relationship between employee and department? Mean many employee belongs to one department. If you if you consider, if you have a, if it is a account department, the account department is one. The account department consists of several employees. The account department consists of several employees. So in this diagram explained, you can see that most of the students are struck with this 4. Here this 4 and many. What is this 4 and many? It explains maximum number of employees. The maximum number of employees taken from this company 4. More than 4. That the company taking more than 4 employees in order to join that particular department. That is the company rule. They have each and every company. There is a rule. Okay, there is a rule. So that this rule, this company implemented the maximum 4 employee should have a one department. So that maximum 4 means maximum more than 4. You can its number of 10 or 30, 100 like that, but maximum number of 4. It's starting the employee count from 4. That's the meaning by 4. Okay, here 1 means maximum. Here one department has one department head. So what is the relationship between many to one relation? One department belongs to many employees. Okay, that is the relationship between employee and department. Okay. So other hand, we have another relationship, department and project. So department and project, what is the relationship? One department take many projects. Consider if you have a accounts department taken from many accounts projects. So the department means which is a account department. Account number department only take one project to complete it. No, it takes several projects. Okay, the no company give the rule for doing only one project. So that is not a rule. Okay, so one department get many projects. So maximum one department it take the many projects. So it's one. This one, what this explain it, maximum one project, one to many. Here one, many. So here more than one projects. So one department has many. One project and many. One to many relationship. Okay. So it's maximum one. It's starting from one to more than one here. So that is the things. If you put like this, don't confuse this one. This is a maximum for employee. So at least one project, more than one project here. Okay, right. So one department control many projects. So after that, employee and project, what is the relationship? If you consider one employee work with only one project, no, one employee work in several projects. If you take example of software development project, the company give to one project to the employee. You have to complete this project within 3 hours time period. After complete this project, they assign another project to that particular employee. So one employee work with the several software projects. If you taking from the employee side, okay, employee and project. So if you look at the project side, if you look at the project side, how to implement the relationship is one project only work on only one employee. Is one project work on only one employee? No. If you take example of software project, imagine if you have a software project of banking system, that banking particular system, the front end developed by the front end developer team. If it is a back end development by the back end development team. If it is a database management by the database management team. The testing managed by the testing team. So there are several things managed by different components. So what happened here? Many employees work with one project. So many project work with many employees. So here many to many. If you implement the relationship many to many. Okay, That is the thing. These three things are very must. The project consists of a name, project number. We can allow the employee names at the project name, change the project manager. All the things we have we have given here. This is the attributes and behaviors. Okay. Thank you for watching.